Is your Google business profile suspended and your customer traffic dropping by the hour? Don't panic. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through how to get your profile reinstated and get back on Google Maps fast. If your business was taken off Google, I've helped hundreds of clients recover their profiles, and today, I'll guide you step by step to reinstate yours. First, what does suspended mean? Your business profile is temporarily disabled and no longer visible on Google Maps or search. Common causes include business name with keyword stuffing, incorrect or inconsistent address, contact info, using virtual addresses or P.O. boxes, violating Google's content or quality rules, duplicate listings. Knowing why your profile was suspended is the first key to fixing it. Steps to fix and prepare for reinstatement. Here's your recovery roadmap. Audit and fix violations. Review your listing, name, categories, address, contact info. Remove anything that breaks Google's guidelines. Gather proof. Prepare supporting documents, utility bills, business license, storefront photos, signage, inside-outside shots showing your business exists in the real world. Submit a reinstatement request or appeal. Use Google's official form. Write a clear explanation. What you found, what you fixed, and why you're compliant now. Follow up. Check your email often. Sometimes Google asks for more documents or clarifications. Be prompt and polite. What to expect and handling rejections. Don't expect instant approval. It may take days or even a couple of weeks. If your appeal gets rejected, read the rejection notes carefully. Fix the stated issues. Submit a stronger appeal with better documentation. Avoid multiple appeals in short periods. Google sometimes flags repeated appeals as spam. Many businesses get reinstated after 1 or 2 well-documented appeals. Realistic outcomes and value. Once reinstated, your profile, reviews, rankings often come back. But give it time. This process can reconnect you with leads, search visibility, and lost customers, so it's absolutely worth your effort. If you're stuck or want me to guide you personally step by step, comment reinstate below or message me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.